Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock the screen on MSI Thin A15. So there are, I guess, three methods of doing that, and the first one is by closing the lid. Then you most probably will need to wait for a moment because if no, actually it has immediately locked the screen, but you can see it doesn't ask me for the password. So after closing the lid, it'll ask you for the password after, I guess, a few minutes of being closed. So if you want to lock it now, you can just click either on the start button, then power and lock. And you can see it asks me for the password now. Or you can also do something different, which is quicker, I guess, by clicking on the Windows and L key at the same time. It also locks the screen and also requires a password to unlock. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.